I need to feel around my room before you came. Excuse the mess you made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they burn. I've been thinking about you. Oh no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you know, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do ya, do ya? I am hoping so far ahead. Oh my god, actually guys, it is it is time for me to sleep actually. Okay, good. Oh. Hi. Hello?
Hi.
Hi. Can I
Wait.
see? Can I see you? No. Oh, you're so cute. Should I do
Oh, thanks.
what's your name? Ming Enge.
Esther.
Esther.
Ming Esther.
How old are you? 10? No. No. No, you're stuck. No. Oh. Okay. Sorry, my life paused. No, your life stuck. Oh my god. Alright, I'll talk to you later, okay? Cause bad. That's so. What is this, bro? Ay, 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 ay. Why is it so? No, Mrs. Hi Esther. Next time, okay? I'll talk to you next time. Love you. Cảm ơn ngày trên. Hi Shin. Hi Ramping. After this. Ah. Oh, no, okay. Cause you'll never treat me this way. she did. I don't talk about you on the internet. Never said anything anyone else. Is that embarrassing? Embarrassing. I hate how it's okay. I'm so sleepy now. Thank you. I'm getting sleepy now. Ugh. Okay. Yes, I love playing volleyball. I always hate you. Oh, why? Why you hate me? Don't hate me. I can't. Come on, man, guys. There are like 400 requests. How you guys? How you guys want me to? You like soccer? I do. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep now, so good night, everybody. Good morning. Have a wonderful day. I'll be sleeping now. So, no, what? You've been blocked. Nope. That's not happening. Okay. Night.